UE off to a good start in set number 2, and you credited Masangkay Mozi for distributing the ball rather well compared to set number 1, finding the hot hand and also getting the others involved.
And yeah, giving opportunity to the new girls inside and responding well. Ito namang mga bago, sila Guevara. And again, nothing to lose eh. So, you just go for experimental plays. Ito dapat just enjoy the game.
Beautiful serve from Shisa Nebrida. There comes Pineda again, and when she starts to get it going, it's difficult to stop her.
True. Kumbaga sa basketball, strict shooter.
Exactly.
Pag nasimulan.
That's what UE has to be careful about.
Number 9.
So yun naman pwedeng gawin na UE, no? That could be the focus of their attention now, the defense against Pineda. But Bulan says, no way, offense muna.
And I think, I don't know if I'm correct here, Mozi, yung observation ko na si Pineda and si Bulan almost play like in a very same mold, no? Same power, same jumping ability.
Lagi ko nga itong kino-compare kay Angela Benting, which is yun yung post na I think Pineda now is in. So, big shoes to fill, but Pineda is doing really great. So, she scores another one, and in no time, itong si Bulan na UE would be in the same place.
That's true. Take a look at, the elevation and the power. It's just a lethal combination for somebody like Pineda.
And then iwas niya sa blockers that's how high she was up in the air.
And it's great that she's good, but she's lucky as well, and she gets a service ace there off the tape of the net. And just like that, Mozi, the 4-point lead of UE now cut to just 2.
But Eric, Pineda is our number 3 best server in the league so far. So, hindi lang basta sa offense. Even in the service department.
And now, Pao Soriano getting into the scoring picture in set number 2 as she cuts that 4-point deficit to just 1 for Adamson. A timeout by UE. Let's listen in.
Pag-iwalay kayo, Don, ang play mo, it's either dito, pagalawin natin yung Paulina, okay? Tapos, sino nasa gitna natin? Si Mads, pasukan mo lang, pilit mo bumitbit, tapos ang bato ng bola natin open. Open dito or open dito. Naintindihan? Tutok lang tayo ng bola. Tingin kung kinakailangan mag-drop ball sa gitna. Huwag tayo po.
Let's go, guys!
Let's go.
Pray for us. Hey, lady! Fire side!
Doesn't sound as concerned with the loss of the lead as he is with the way they're developing their play. Si Coach Dalistan, he did not even mention na wala na yung lead natin. He was more about the execution of the Lady Warriors.
Which is how it should be. And sabi niya ngayon, they have to go for drop balls. They want to try that. Kasi kanina naman in the first set, when they started with yung mga drop balls, their pushes, nahirapan naman yung si Vasquez, di ba? On defense, pinahirapan nila. So they want to go do that again. And let's see if they succeed.
Pero ngayon, Mozi, 4 unanswered points make that 5 unanswered points para sa Adamson, and they take the lead away from UE. 10 will be serving 9.
And Pineda has been there reaping scores from the service area.
Ganun lang, Mozi, Ang bilis na wala na yung lamang para dito sa UE. D-zone flying in.
Great reflex there by Makatuno.
Zapanta, great flick of the wrist from the back row. Here comes Bulan soaring in, tipping it over and scoring for UE.
And that's what Coach Boy Dalistan said in the huddle. Ito, yung mga pushes, go for drop balls in perfect spot for Bulan to put that ball.
Para maiba yung timing,
Maiba naman. And I really think he wants the girls to read Adamson. Hindi lang basta palo lang ng palo going to the motion. It's really about learning. Again, ang umpisa kasi sa volleyball is how you read your opponent. Kasi marami yan marami. So you have to read their plays. Sino bang kaliwete, sinong kanan, sinong open hitter. So volleyball starts from there. If you know how to read the opponent, mas madali ang volleyball.
Soriano. Makatuno to Bulan. Or make that, Masangkay for Bulan, and the finish at the net by D-Zone.
Don Dizon was just too ready for that gift as you see it once again. Ito, galing sa kabila, and yet Don Dizon prepared. Ito yung focus that Coach Boy wants to see.
11-all, set number 2. Bulan. Oh, great serve.
That's an 8.
Ace for Bulan on that serve.
You see how fast the ball just decelerated and dropped?
And
Amazing.
cross-court. Yun yung mahirap na
Oh, that's
serve
true,
eh.
ano? Cross-court pa.
Bulan.
Again, targeting that area.
Oh, Pao Soriano, too short for her.
Straight in the too sharp an angle.
And now Mosey, nakuha na ulit ng UE ang kalamangan by 2. And this is the kind of UE team that we were seeing in the second round of eliminations, ano?
I was going to say that ito yon, ganito yung lumalaban. Even if they lose, pero lumalaban hanggang sa dulo.
Exactly. Ooh, just barely.
A little too long.
Out of bounds.
A little bit long for Bulan.
Service, Soriano.
Nebrida.
Oh, Nebrida trying to go down the line, but that's wide. Alam mo, si Nebrida is such a risk taker. Talagang ganun siyang classic player eh. Siyempre, with that risk comes yung mga ganyan,
Of
yung
course,
mga
yung mga
errors.
errors, yeah.
Soriano.
13-all. Set number 2, underhand set Masangkay. Dizon. Oh, great save from Soriano. Zapanta just out.
Outside shot by Zapanta.
She had to turn 180 for that hit. Galing pa sa likod, so medyo na-disorient yata si Zapanta doon and was going for percentage, but the looper went long.
Lamang na ulit ang UE. 14 serving 13. Better serve from Dizon. Guevara overshoots the mark. The idea was right.
That's true. And this is what Adamson should really develop. Who? Guevara. Para lang meron additional firepower and threat on the side of the Lady Falcons going into the Final Four.
That's true. Hindi lang si Pao Soriano,
Yes.
no?
So pag si Guevara naman ang nasa harap, same threat ang makikreate niya.
The dig was there from Masangkay, pero malayo yung other teammates. Take a look here. The block was there, pero after Masangkay picked it up, the other
one for the
players
second ball.
6 feet away from the ball.
You know, normally yung very systematic and organized team, meron yan auxiliary setter. Meron talagang assigned. For example, halimbawa, yung setter ang kumuha, meron susunod dyan na yun na auxiliary setter mo.
So, pag setter ang
Makikita mo yan
sumagot
all
ng
the
first
time.
touch,
Sa Lasal,
may-
makikita mo yan. Meron
may
talaga
hahabol,
silang
oo.
hahabol na isa pa.
Masangkay, turned back by Pinedo.
2 quick errors on the part of UE. And they give up the lead. Adamson is up by 1, 16-15, set number 2.